I'm making milk balls. This is milk. I melted the sugar. I'll just keep mixing in low fire. Yan. Lagay natin yung flour. Tapos, halo-haloin. Then, maglagay tayo ng powder. Milk powder. And, just keep on mixing until mag-thicken yung ano niya. Yan. Ito. Yan. Yan. Palamigin lang. Tapos maglagay tayo ng sugar ay ng milk dito. Ay. Yan. We put some little bit of oil. Then we take something. Then we just keep it like this. We pulse it. Parang gagawa tayo ng bola. And then we roll it into the roll natin dito sa may milk powder. And this is it. There you go. Ito na yung ating milk balls. So, this is my finished product. Milk balls. Yan. So nice and very delicious.